Welcome to Rapid Relief Health. This practice is specifically designed to offer you comfort and release from the challenges of sciatica discomfort. We will guide you through a carefully sequenced series of movements that combine gentle stretching, strategic nerve gliding, and deep relaxation. Our approach is not about forcing or pushing, but about inviting your body and nervous system to let go of tension, alleviate pain, numbness, and tingling, and restore a sense of ease and balance. Please have a mat and perhaps a cushion nearby. Remember, you are the expert on your body. Move with mindfulness and honor what feels accessible today. Let us begin this journey toward relief. Part 1. Foundational grounding and gentle hip awakening. Find a comfortable seated position on your mat. If your hips or lower back feel tight, please sit on the front edge of a firm cushion or folded blanket to elevate your pelvis. This can make a profound difference. Bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall apart into a gentle butterfly shape. This is your starting sanctuary. Rest your hands comfortably behind you, fingertips pointing away from your body to keep your shoulders open. Begin to gently pulse your knees toward the floor. Don't force them down. Imagine the movement is guided by the weight of your breath. Inhale to create a little space. Exhale to allow a gentle release downward. This rhythmic motion begins to awaken the often tight adductor muscles and hip rotators. After several pulses, shake it out. Gently sway your knees from side to side, feeling a soft massaging sensation through your glutes and the outer shelf of your hips. This movement helps to release superficial tension before we move deeper.
Part 2. Deep hip release with passive pigeon pose. Carefully transition onto your hands and knees into a tabletop position. Ensure your wrists are under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. From here, we will move into a modified passive pigeon pose. Slide your right leg back, keeping it long, and draw your left knee forward, placing your left shin on the mat at an angle. The position of your shin is not critical. What matters is finding a stretch in your left hip that is noticeable but not sharp or painful. You might feel this in your outer hip or deep in the glute. You have options here to suit your body. Option A, stay upright, supported on your hands. Option B, for a deeper release, walk your hands forward and lower down onto your forearms. Option C, if it feels accessible and calming, you can fold completely forward, resting your forehead on your hands or the mat. Breathe deeply here. Imagine each exhale melting tension away from the hip joint. Hold for several slow breaths. To exit, press firmly through your hands, tuck your back toes, and gently slide the left leg back to meet the right in tabletop. Don't rush this transition. Now from tabletop, keep your arms straight as you gently sway your hips a few times to the left and right, allowing the hip we just stretched to settle and integrate the release. We will now repeat this entire sequence on the other side. Bring your right knee forward into the passive pigeon pose. Find your depth, breathe into the unique sensations of this side, and hold with the same mindful attention. Return to tabletop and finish with the gentle hip sways. Part 3. Strategic sciatic nerve flossing, seated. Come to sit once more, extending both legs out in front of you. Separate them to about hip width. This next segment is crucial. We are going to floss or mobilize the sciatic nerve. Think of this as gently encouraging a sticky rope to slide smoothly through its sheath. First, let's create warmth and circulation. Flex your right foot and begin making large, deliberate circles with your ankle. Focus on keeping your knees straight, but if you need to, you can lean back on your hands for support. Complete several circles clockwise, then reverse. Now with the same leg, point and flex the foot with intention, feeling the entire calf and hamstring engage and release. Now for the flossing. It's a simple alternating motion. Flex your right foot while you point your left foot. Then smoothly switch, point the right foot and flex the left. This creates a gentle wave-like motion along the neural pathway. Continue this for several cycles. Now try synchronizing both feet. Inhale deeply as you flex both feet, drawing your toes toward your shins. Exhale completely as you point both feet away. Feel the gentle rhythmic pull along the entire back line of your body, from your heels to your hips. This practice is incredibly effective for relieving nerve-related tension and improving mobility. Complete your flossing and gently tap your legs on the mat, shaking them out to disperse any metabolic byproducts and invite fresh blood flow.
Part 4. Supine stretches and integrated nerve glides. Gently recline onto your back. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the mat. Hug your right knee into your chest, holding it with both hands. Feel a broad, comforting stretch in your right glute and lower back. You can make tiny circles with the ankle to release the hip joint further. Now, we'll integrate nerve gliding in this supported position. Interlace your fingers and hug the back of your right thigh. On an inhale, slowly extend your right leg up toward the ceiling, keeping a soft micro-bend in the knee. On an exhale, lower the leg halfway. Now add the key component. As you lift the leg, actively flex your foot. As you lower the leg, actively point your foot. This combination of joint movement and neural tension is the core of effective flossing. Continue this pattern. Lift and flex, lower and point. Move with slow, mindful control. After several repetitions, gently lower the leg completely and switch sides, repeating the entire process with your left leg. Part 5. Advanced gluteal and piriformis release. Remain on your back. This sequence targets the deep rotator muscles, which are often a primary source of sciatic compression. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, creating a figure 4 shape. If this is enough, simply breathe here. For a deeper stretch, you can thread your right hand through the space between your legs and clasp your hands behind your left thigh, gently drawing the leg toward you. From this position, let's introduce dynamic movement. Gently pulse your right knee open and closed a few times like a butterfly wing. Now, release the arms and draw both knees toward your chest. For an added core and glute engagement, interlace your fingers behind your thighs. If it feels good for your neck, you can gently curl your head and shoulders off the mat, drawing your chin toward your chest. This actively engages the deep core and provides a deep glute stretch. Breathe here. Release the crunch and now extend your right leg straight up toward the ceiling. Actively flex the foot. Gently sway the leg from side to side, using the weight of the leg to massage your sacrum and lower back into the mat. This feels wonderful for releasing deep spinal tension. Lower that leg. Now for a recline twist. Take your right knee with your left hand and gently guide it across your body toward the floor on your left side. Keep both shoulders grounded. You can hold here, or for a more dynamic release, gently pulse the knee toward the floor. This is a powerful sequence. We will now honor the body's need for balance by repeating the entire series on the opposite side. Figure 4 stretch, knee pulses, double knee hug with optional crunch, leg extension with sway, and the recline twist.
Part 6. Integration, gentle strengthening, and final surrender.
Come into a restorative happy baby pose. On your back, draw your knees wide apart toward your armpits and hold the outside edges of your feet. Gently rock from side to side, massaging the entire length of your spine against the mat. This is a beautiful pose of surrender and self-soothing. To gently strengthen the supportive muscles of your back and pelvis, we move into a bridge pose. Bend your knees, feet hip-width apart and close to your glutes. On an inhale, slowly peel your spine off the mat, beginning with your tailbone and lifting one vertebra at a time until your body forms a gentle diagonal line from shoulders to knees. Press your arms into the mat, engage your core, and gently squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold for a full breath cycle, feeling the strength in your posterior chain. On an exhale, slowly lower down with control. For a progression, try a single leg bridge. Extend your right leg straight out, and as you inhale, lift your hips using the strength of your left leg. This significantly increases the demand on your stabilizers. Complete your repetitions and then switch to the other side. Part 7, Complete Nervous System Integration in Savasana. The final and most important pose, Savasana, or corpse pose. Extend your legs long on the mat, letting your feet fall open. Rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Scan your body from your toes to the crown of your head. Notice any lingering sensations. Compare the feeling in your right leg to your left leg. Notice the quality of space in your hips and lower back. With each exhale, imagine releasing any final traces of holding or gripping. Surrender the full weight of your body to the support of the earth beneath you. Rest here for several minutes, allowing the benefits of your practice to integrate at the deepest level of your being. To transition out, when you feel ready, begin to gently deepen your breath. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Draw your knees gently into your chest and roll onto your right side, resting in a fetal position for a few moments. Use your hands to press yourself up to a comfortable seated position, leading with your heart. Bring your hands to your heart center. Take a final conscious breath in, acknowledging the work you have done. And as you exhale, bow your head slightly in gratitude to yourself for showing up. Thank you for trusting Rapid Relief Health with your well-being. This practice is a resource you can return to anytime your body calls for release and comfort. Carry this sense of ease with you. Until next time, take care.